If Audacity is showing an unanticipated host error on Windows 11, it usually means Windows has blocked the audio connection somewhere in the background, even if everything looks enabled on the surface. The good news is that this is usually fixable with a few simple settings changes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Audacity working again without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick audio and software fixes just like this. First, let's try the privacy reset because this is one of the most effective fixes on Windows 11. Sometimes a recent update can soft lock microphone permissions, which means your mic may still appear loud, but Windows is quietly blocking the connection anyway. To fix that, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and then click Microphone. Here, find microphone access and turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After that, scroll down and make sure the setting for Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is also turned on. This is important because Audacity is a desktop app, and if this permission is off, Audacity may fail even when other settings look correct. Next, we'll check for exclusive mode conflicts. This error often happens when another app has locked the audio device in the background. Apps like Zoom, Chrome, Spotify, Discord, or even browser tabs with audio can sometimes take control of your microphone or speakers. To check this, press Windows and R on your keyboard, type mmsys.cpl and press Enter. This opens the classic Windows sound panel. Go to the Recording tab, right-click your microphone and choose Properties. Then open the Advanced tab. You'll see a box that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Uncheck that box. If there is another checkbox underneath it, uncheck that too if it appears. Then click Apply and OK. Now do the exact same thing for your speakers or headphones in the Playback tab. Right-click the device, open Properties, go to Advanced, and uncheck Exclusive Control there as well. This step can make a huge difference if another app is interfering with Audacity. Now let's fix the host setting inside Audacity itself. In Audacity, the word host refers to the audio system Audacity uses to communicate with Windows. If the current host is not working properly, Audacity can throw an unanticipated host error. Look at the audio setup section in Audacity or the host dropdown if your version shows one. If it is set to WASAPI, switch it to MME. MME is usually the most forgiving option, and in many cases it bypasses the tiny conflicts that cause Audacity to fail with WASAPI. After switching the host, test your recording again. If the error disappears, that means the issue was likely a compatibility problem with the audio driver mode, not with Audacity itself. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is sample rate matching. This is a common but overlooked cause. Windows might be set to one sample rate, while Audacity is trying to open the device at another. For example, your system could be set to 48 kHz, while Audacity is expecting 44.1 kHz. That mismatch can trigger the host error. To fix this, go back to the same mmsys.cpl sound panel, open the properties for your microphone, go to the Advanced tab, and look at the default format. You might see something like 24-bit 48,000 Hz. Make note of that exact number. Then open Audacity and look at the project rate in the bottom left corner of the window. Set it to match your Windows device format exactly. If your device is at 48,000 Hz, set Audacity to 48,000. If it is 44,100 Hz, set Audacity to 44,100. Matching these values helps Audacity and Windows talk to each other cleanly. At this point, it's also a good idea to close any apps that might be using audio in the background. Shut down browsers, communication apps, music players, or anything else that could be holding onto your mic or speakers. Then restart Audacity and test again. If needed, restart your computer as well, because a fresh reboot can release locked audio devices and reset temporary permission issues. So to quickly recap, if you get the Audacity unanticipated host error on Windows 11, start with the microphone privacy reset, disable exclusive mode in the Windows sound settings, switch the Audacity host from WASAPI to MME, and make sure your sample rates match exactly. In most cases, one of those steps solves the problem. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and simple fixes that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.